Anna caught a fish. Ulla vechu small. Good job. Yes.
Show. Ooh.
What's the bigger one? Oh my god! Oh, that's a bigger one! Wow! That's so big! How did you get this? Oh my god! Kadachida?
Yeah, touched it.
Cut it?
Dew worms.
Dew worms, huh? No, night crawler.
No, dew worms.
Dew worms?
Yeah.
Alright. Is it okay now, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Ma.
Not yet. No, go. He's actually doing the fishing. Yeah, didn't he?
Okay.
Hi.
Hi.
Are you getting some fish?
Okay.
And what are you going to get?
Just some leaves. Want to see the worm?
Yes. But it could not bite me. But when I big, I would get. You will buy them for me. He's just catching some beef.
Leaf.
Yeah, she's young. It's right there. He's so sitting. Yeah, I'm. He doesn't run. She can't tell is it run.
What do you got? Show. Ooh. But yeah, you see that?
I can see it.
One box got over here.
I think all the worms are hiding inside. Yeah, there's.
Yes, I'm not
Yeah.
hiding somewhere. Yes,
These are dew worms.
Okay. Show me.
wow.
Are you not scared, Shishon?
They're just worms.
Yes, it's champagne instead of worms.
Hi. என்னடா பண்ற? What are you doing? It's okay. நீ வாட்டர்ல போட்டாலே இந்த டர்ட்லாம் போயிடும். Whoa, super Shashu!
I didn't even expect it.
Everything stay here.
It's a small fish, but
Good one,
my
Shashank.
first catch.
Good one. Hold on, I'm coming. Show me. You got a fish?
Yeah.
What is that?
I don't know, like a.
Good one, Shashank. எப்படிடா பிடிச்ச?
I was just
Okay, show me.
casually.
Wow, yeah. Sana, இந்த பாரு.
I just saw a fish like.
Anna caught a fish.
What fish is that?
Like
Some sunfish, yeah.
Buddy?
Super, Shashank. High five.
let's go.
Yay. Okay, the catch and release பண்ணிடலாமா? Okay.
But I want to like touch it.
Yeah. Okay. நான் இதை ஹோல்ட் பண்ண I'll just open it and நீ அதை கொடுத்துரு. He's so small, Shashank.
Oh,
Oh my God, he's like,
that injured.
oh, he's not injured. Yes. Do you want to leave him?
I want to like touch him first.
பிடிச்சுக்கோ, hold on. ஒழுங்கா போய். Yeah. Do you want to release him, Shashank? It's time already. Yeah, release him.
Okay.
Yay!
Appa,
Good job, Shashank.
Appa, Appa. When I be catch.
அந்த fish போயிடுச்சா?
Appa, 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 Appa.
So Shashank is getting ready for his second fish. Yeah?
Yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna get it, but even if I don't get it, I'm still gonna be happy.
worm வந்து நல்ல நீளமா மாட்டுது.
Needle.
Yeah, அப்பதான் அது ஃபிஷ்ஷுக்கு அட்ராக்டிவா இருக்கும்.
Okay. Like this.
தண்ணி கிளியரா இருந்தா என்ன நல்லா இருக்கும்ல?
Yeah.
செம்ம மடியா இருக்கு எனக்கு. Today is a lucky day இல்லடா? First fish இல்லடா? See, actually நீ அன்னைக்கு அந்த லாசால் பார்க்ல நீ அது எனக்கா மாட்டிச்சு.
Yeah, and you gave it to me to take a video of it.
Oh, so you actually didn't get it, is it? So then technically your first fish.
Yeah.
Perfect, buddy. அப்ப இந்த ஃபால்ல trout running season
Don't
அப்போ
tell me I got another one.
you got another one? You got another one?
Don't tell me.
Something is pulling?
Because look at my rod.
Yes, something is pulling. Yes, you got another fish.
Where?
I saw it. Oh, it's a bigger one. Oh my God. Oh, that's a bigger one. That's a bass.
Let's go!
Let's go, buddy. Look at that thing.
Yeah!
Just கொஞ்சம் one step back, வா. Oh my God. Sasha கீழ வச்சிருமா அத. ஓ, அங்க வச்சனா ஓடிரும் அது.
Oh my God!
That's a big one.
That's a big bass!
Oh.
Yes!
It's a small mouth, la.
Shashu, place it in water, okay? Place it in water.
That's a big bass!
It's a small mouth, la. Small mouth, na. Yes.
Yes!
It is a bass. It is a small mouth. Okay. இத
Holy! and I wanna touch it, and I only put in my second reel before that first sunfish. Now that he got
He's
this.
out of the reel. If you want to catch him. Tullu.
No.
God. Yeah, he went in. Yeah.
But still, let's go.
Good.
I got a sun. I want to listen.
So the dew worms are worth it. Dew worms are worth it. Good.
La? Every person there. I lost hope, Shashank. Super, da. Kalakita. You big, you? Super. What did you learn today, Shashank?
Put your worms in a big clump.
Big clump, actually, for me, that has never worked, but okay, if it is working for you. Alright. Show me your worm. Alright, throw it in. Throw it in the same spot where you got the big one. Yeah, maybe somewhere in the. Okay.
Because he said that's the deep area.
Yeah. So fishing la patience ரொம்ப முக்கியம் இல்லடா?
It's not like you're gonna get a fish.
Every time, yeah. So you have to wait.
But I got another like smallmouth just after 2 casts of the sunfish.
Yeah. Right?
Yeah.
And we were still talking about the first one.
Yeah.
You got the second one. நேற்று நைட் நம்மளுக்கு இது கிடச்சிருந்ததுன்னா maybe I would have grilled it. Now I don't want to start a fire again. You got a third one. என்னடா போட்டு பிடிச்சிட்டே இருக்க? Oh, this is another one, Shashank.
I got
என்னது?
3 fish. Yeah.
Oh, he's so slim. This is your third one, buddy.
No, I think it's the same.
No. This is new. கொஞ்சம் water leave. Yeah. Yeah, see?
Yeah.
This is a new one.
Yeah.
Whoa.
It's dead.
No. He's moving. Okay. I'll release him, okay?
Oh my God, Shashank! You're a great boy. Oh my God! Oh my God! It's not there. So this is my third fish. Awesome.
Hold on. I'm helping you. Yeah. Release. அப்படியே உள்ள வெச்சு smooth. Good job. Yes. Yeah. He's going in. Yep.
A fish?
Don't tell me you got another one. Are you? Yes. Something's pulling. I don't see anything. Reel it in. I think you got a monster, man.
Come on.
Reel it.
I'm trying to.
Want some help? சுத்து. Reel it. No, that's stick. ஏய் தூக்காத அது worm பிச்சிரும். கீழ வச்சிரு. Yeah. கீழ வச்சு அப்படியே இழுத்துக்கோ. There's the worm. You lost your worm?
Yeah.
Fish எவ்வளோ ஸ்மார்ட் பார். ஹூக்ல மாட்டாம worm தூக்கிட்டு போயிடுச்சு.
No, but I didn't feel a bite, so.
Okay, go for the next one. You got another one? Whoa! Sana, you don't come. Ooh. Shashank, hold on, I'm coming. Hold on. Hey, that's a monster, man. Whoa. Wow! That's so big. How did you get this? Oh my God! How did you get this monster, man?
I got a
Sorry. Whoa!
I got a huge fish.
Shashank, hold this. Hold this. அப்படியே வச்சிரு. நாளைக்கு கீழே வை.
Mom, look at how big this is. Look at how big this is.
Shashank is பயங்கரமா குத்துது. Okay?
Okay.
Wow, look at this, Divya.
Woo! Yeah!
Monster.
I got a big monster.
Oh.
Yes. Holy. Oh. It was so hard to reel it in.
என்னடா எக்ஸ்பர்ட் ஃபிஷர்மேன் மாதிரி பண்ற? ஓ, நீ இவ்வளவு பெருசா இருக்கு. இது எப்படி தூக்கின?
I was like constantly trying to reel it in.
தூக்கு சீக்கிரம். I have to release him. Whoa. The trophy fish, Shashank. Oh, super big monster, dog. Line inside. Wow. Yay. Oops, sorry. நான் அந்த சைடு வந்துட்டேன்.
Yeah. Look at him.
ஓ ஓகே சரி போதும்டா ரிலீஸ் பண்ணிடலாம். ஓகே
Okay.